Hello there, everybody! Welcome back to Learn English with Cambridge. This is Vladimir, and on today's video we're going to learn how to use comparative adjectives. So let me ask you a question. Do you guys like football? Who do you think is faster, Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo? What about basketball? Who do you think is bigger, LeBron James or Stephen Curry? Keep on watching and let's find out. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Learn English with Cambridge. This is Vladimir, and on today's video we're going to learn how to use comparative adjectives. But before we continue, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Remember, we use comparative adjectives to describe a noun by comparing it to another noun. For example, a tennis ball is smaller than a volleyball. A racket is lighter than a bat. We're going to play a game that I call Spin an Adjective, and we're going to talk about sports to make the examples. To play this game, we're going to spin this wheel and make comparisons according to the adjective rule. So, are you ready? Let's spin an adjective. Who do you think is faster, Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo? Cristiano Ronaldo is faster than Lionel Messi. For most one-syllable adjectives, we add er or just are, and then to make the comparison. Who do you think is bigger, LeBron James or Stephen Curry? LeBron James is bigger than Stephen Curry. We double the final letter of a one-syllable adjective ending in consonant, vowel, consonant, and then we add er. Which Olympic medal do you think is heavier? A bronze medal or a gold medal? A gold medal is heavier than a bronze medal. If the adjective ends with a consonant plus y, change y to I and then add er to form the comparative. Which team do you think is more famous, Barcelona or Arsenal? Barcelona is more famous than Arsenal. For adjectives with two syllables that don't end in y, or for adjectives with more than two syllables, add more before and then than to form the comparative. Which one do you think is better, sports or watching TV? Sports are better than watching TV. Good, bad, and far are examples of irregular adjectives because they don't follow any specific rule. Now that you know the rules for comparative adjectives, let's put it into practice by playing with word clouds. You're going to have a word cloud like this one, and you'll have 10 seconds to name as many adjectives as you can according to the rule. fun was that? You can play this with your friends or your classmates so you can have fun while you're learning. Let me know in the comment section what are some other grammar topics you would like to learn and practice by playing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any video. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye!